So let's execute Veeam Backup Replication console and say yes. Now you can simply click on connect. It's a local desktop, port is 9392. It's your computer name and password, and you have to use Windows session authentication if you have not used any authentication then. So in case sometime it won't connect, then you have to type the IP address of your physical computer, this computer, if it don't work with the local host. Although it will work, if not, then you have to type the IP of this machine. Say connect, and let's wait for the connection to be done. Okay, here it is. It's a trial version and there are 29 days remaining. Okay, so now you find here home and view. There are two options, and one, if you click here, you're gonna find some options from exit to license to color themes and many more. Okay, configuration, backup, and so on. And at the bottom you find home, inventory, backup, tape, file, history. In case some of these options are missing, you can click here and they must be unchecked, so they are missing. If you check, they will come back. Here it is. So when you click on a home, you're going to find there are jobs, backup jobs. Right now no backup jobs has been given, not now, not even last 24 hours. It's a fresh installation. In the inventory, it's a virtual infrastructure. Either it is your VMware or Hyper-V. You can add from here, including adding a server or creating or restoring a job. Physical infrastructures will bring your physical server available in the network, managed and unmanaged. File share is for sharing a file, file copy backups and so on. And it will also allow you to backup job and restore for the file share. After the physical, you will find last 24-hour backup. These are success, this is a warning signs, then these are failures. So anytime you get error, you can look into those failed and warning, so you can find a more detail about the particular error. If you go to the home, go to the inventory, then backup infrastructure. That's the most important. Backup infrastructures comes with more features, starting from backup proxies, repositories, external repositories, scale out repository, WAN acceleration, service provider, and next is a sure backup with application group, virtual machines, and then managed server is Hyper-V and Microsoft Windows. So we're going to work with almost all of them. Then there is a tape infrastructures, backing up your files and restoring them and restoring from the tape. So that's the one, tape server. Then next is a file, and you simply find your physical and virtual infrastructures and their files. You can look into the drives and you can back up them from files as well. So I can look exactly go inside them. So this is a small overview, okay, and it will let you go with view, compact view, or full view. So let's start in the next video with adding up those server. Thank you very much.